Dear students, parents and teachers of different schools, as you know that you are going to take the board examinations very shortly, and being a principal, I would like to suggest some of the suggestions to you so that you can secure good marks, and you do not only secure good marks but you build the skill to write the examination and you develop the confidence how to excel in any competitive or in any board examination. Let's start at the beginning that how should I feel confident before going to the examinations. The simple trick is that you first of all sort out the maximum scoring units and then you refer 5-year questions papers of any board examination. Then you will find that there is a pattern of asking of questions, especially in respect of long answer type questions. So you focus on the long answer type questions first. It will give you automatically access to the short answer types and objective types. Then after focused syllabus and you have narrowed down the probable questions which are frequently asked in the examination, now the second part begins, that how to write in the examination. The first part starts with the understanding of the question paper. And once you read out the question paper, then you choose the particular questions in which you feel more confident. This will boost your confidence about the question paper and it will give you that strength and recall to that particular portion which even you have not prepared so hard for the examination. So basically you attempt the first portion in which you have expertise or you are able to give the answers. Then read the questions very slowly. If there are 4 portions of a question, then on your answer sheet, first of all, write on the top, question answer number so and so, part so and so. Then start writing the heading. Heading will come from the question itself. That for instance, I say, what is prokaryotic cell? Then you just type prokaryotic cell. When the Bengal division took place, then you give the heading, the Bengal division took place in then dash 1905. Like that, the examiner gets the exact answer at the first glance and it makes his mood better to evaluate you further. Then whatever you know and whatever you feel that it is very important to fetch the marks from the examiner, you underline that. Once you underline that portion, certainly the examiner is forced to give first glance at the underlined portion and that will give you more marks. Try to draw maximum flow diagram, try to draw maximum diagrams, try to draw the maps, required maps to answer your humanities questions. And to answer your science question, try to draw the ray diagram as well as the diagrams which are needed to answer that question, which will give the first impact in the mind of the examiner that the child knows everything, but to cut short the time and to provide the maximum information and to pack the maximum useful answer, the child has used that ray diagram or the diagram. In this way, the impact of fetching the marks on the examiner will be better. And the second thing, do not go with the rule of following sequence. Some of the children usually commit mistake by giving answers like that, non-hierarchical way. For example, they write second first. Then ultimately the second question part 1 on the first page and they will write the second part on the last page. It irritates the examiner. So basically examiner has to case the marks on the front page. So after giving you the marks, the examiner has to put the same marks in the cage on the front page. So if the sequence is maintained and if the answers are given in appropriate language with headings and bold words or underlined words, it will give you better marks. Second thing is that never leave any portion unattended, because CBSE and other boards clarify even you have attempted or written the formula, then you will be awarded some marks. So never leave the portion unattended. Try to attend at least something out of your memory, then you will be enhancing your score in that particular paper. Then another important aspect is that most of the children, after doing that rough work, do not scratch it out as a rough. You do not leave. Use enough space. You are given plenty of copies. Don't try to save the pages, but try to save the time so that you can give the relevant information within the stipulated time without wasting too much time on objective type questions, 1 mark question, because they deserve hardly few seconds to answer. You give the appropriate time for the long answer type questions. Never leave long answer type question, because a single question can fetch 5 marks for you. So you never leave that particular question. These are some of the precautions which you have to take in consideration to fetch better marks in the board examination. And secondly, take plenty of water, and whenever you feel worried or anxiety, you take deep breath and believe in your strength and stamina and wisdom, because you have devoted hours and hours in your studies. So believe in your efforts, believe in your strength, believe in your capabilities, believe in your abilities and blessings of your parents and gurus. Certainly you will get better marks in the coming examinations. My best of luck to all of you. Thank you very much.